Hi, this is Cheryl Traxler, and I have this beautiful rainforest behind me. You can hear the beautiful birds I enjoy, and also behind me are tall mountains, and then there's an inlet as well because I live on an island in Alaska. This is a place that you cannot drive to. You have to fly or take a boat. We are off the road system, of course, and it's very unique and fun. I really enjoy living here, and I also have 7 grandkids. Such a blessing. And I remember when my kids were little, I wanted to be home and take care of them and raise them. And so I started a home-based business because that's what I wanted, and I went after it. And I've been doing it ever since, and now I have 7 grandkids. So I have been very blessed. I'm very thankful for that. I started this journey with the Successful Solution Method. They launched the end of May with somebody I dearly trust, and they're very honest, and I really respect them. So we launched the end of May, and June 5, I got a $350 payment with this company. And this company is not your ordinary. It's not an affiliate marketing thing where you join and then you're left to figure it out, where most of them are. They tell you all this amazing stuff, but bottom line, you're the one that has to do the sales, you're the one that has to get the traffic, and you're the one that has to really close it, right? I mean, that's what most of them do, but not with Successful Solution Method. Totally different business model, so newbie friendly. I love that about it. Anybody can do this, and if you like making money on a consistent basis, you will love this. In fact, you could see my income report on the front before you hit the video to watch it. You can see I had consistent income, and now today, very exciting news, I made $400 in one day. Can you imagine how awesome that would be? I mean, we had just flown home and had a long trip flying from another island, okay, to my home island, and I was tired. I was up at 6 getting ready. It was just a long day. You know how it is, sitting in airports, waiting and waiting. So by the time I got home, I was whipped, and to find a notification that I was going to get paid $400. I get paid every Friday, so that's like tomorrow I will get paid. It was awesome. It was so amazing. And I was so thankful that all I traveled and did all this stuff, I got paid when I got home. Now, how cool is that? That is very cool. And I'm very happy. And I don't know, it is just an exciting, consistent income stream that I wanted to share with you, because who doesn't want that, you know, in the times we live in? If you can work from home, if you can create this income stream that pays, then, you know, all the issues that are going on now, that can't go anywhere, can't hardly do anything. A lot of people have lost their job, you know, people are in quarantine. You definitely want to check this out for extra income or for your main income. A couple hours a day and you're done. You know, we have this incredible part about our business model that makes it so easy. And what I'm talking about is, most business, you have to do the sales and the traffic, right? You have to figure out what kind of traffic works, and you got to really do the sales as well. Nobody's going to do it for you, you know? And so there you are, stuck with the stress of that. And you get started with all hopes and eagerness, and then you just kind of, you're hanging on, and less than 30 days or so, you see nothing going on, because you just aren't an expert in those things, right? You're not a sales marketer. You're not a, you know, salesperson. You're not a marketing person, and you're just like, oh my goodness, now what? You're just incredibly depressed, I'd say. Well, with Successful Solution Method, that is not the case. They have sourced out the traffic and the sales So when you get in, you don't have to worry at all about traffic or sales. Isn't that a relief? Not to have to think about it, not to have to worry about it, not to have to not, be a failure because of that, because let's face it, without traffic, without fresh eyeballs on your business, you're sunk in the water. So the happy news is we have all that included, but yet you don't have to run it. You don't have to figure out what's good traffic and bad traffic and what works and doesn't work. And by the time you get done figuring it out, you're broke, right? Well, I got paid in less than the first week in this business model, this new business model that is incredible for newbies especially. And I've been getting paid consistently ever since. I've been in it 7 weeks, going on 8 now. I made over $1,750, and I got $400 more coming, like I said, Friday, tomorrow. So how exciting. And you do simple tasks with our business. Simple tasks, easy tasks, anybody can do. Just work an hour or two. Who wouldn't want that with good, consistent income? I mean, that is like an answer for everybody's financial problems, because everybody needs money to survive. And I love this business model. It teaches you incredible stuff in a safe way because you don't have to worry about the sales. And you don't stress or worry. Like I said, that's a big part of it. And that's where most people fail. So we don't have any of that. So I'm so excited about that. And we have an incredible Facebook group that you want to be able to get in there so you can see us in action. You want to write me and ask me to get in that Facebook group. You will love it. And I'd be happy to put you in there. There's like over 1,000 people in that group and growing. Hundreds every week or more. It's just fantastic. And so you want to write me, answer me on this video, and just let me know. Then you want to go to my Facebook page. It's in my description. You want to go to my Facebook page, and you want to go to my channel. This is my channel. You want to go to my Facebook page and message me that you want in that special Facebook group, because you will love what you see there. You will. And so I can put you in that group right up front. And then you also want to go to my webpage, which is in my description, that you can get more info and get more details. And so between the two, you can kind of see what we're doing, and then you can kind of read all the details, and you know what I'm making. So that's the incredible part. It's just so exhilarating to be able to do that. And so I just excited to tell you. So excited to tell you. I love sharing this with people and seeing them have success. I mean, that's what makes it fun as well. And so you go to that. Request me to get you on Facebook group. I'll add you as my friend on my Facebook, and then I'll get you in our group and get you started. So you can look that over, and you can read my page and think it through and see what's happening. That's the best way to learn, So go ahead and get started in doing that, so you can just check it out. There's no obligation, and I'll see you on the inside. And thanks for watching. Please subscribe to my channel, and bye from Alaska.